So guess what? Elon Musk just tweeted about cryptocurrencies and then blockchain. So you see more and more people in the space talking about Bitcoin and blockchain and the rest of them. I think one of the major problem is people do not educate other people in the space. Someone like Richard Branson. Richard Branson is someone who is very bullish on cryptocurrencies. He's open. He organizes conferences and many other stuffs. So, and then you talk about guys like Grant Cardone talking about Ethereum. Talking about Bitcoin and the rest of them. What actually goes on in the space? The problem is a lot of people only talk about money, price prediction, and the other stuffs. It's not supposed to be. People are supposed to talk about the possibilities of the blockchain and what can we do to solve this. So guys, make it your duty to educate other people in the space. It's not just enough to tell someone, well, how do I now get started with Bitcoin? You tell them, download the Bitcoin wallet. Sign up with Coinbase. And then you started. No! Educate people so that when those who are critics, who are not in the space, are trying to dissuade them, they will have a solid foundation. I'm a person who believes on solid foundations. I believe that if the foundation is very solid, if the foundation is very solid, people will have the right to do, to choose for themselves and avoid the negatives. So you want to educate as much people as possible. So this is going to have a very huge effect on the community. Though there are some remarks like, well, okay, this guy is Satoshi and the rest of them, right? Nobody knows who is Satoshi. What about if you're wrong? However, keep your sentiment aside and then let's put this thing to use. Have a nice day.